Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 1E from exercise 8.3, comparing quantities, chapter 8. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Now you know how to find the interest when it is compounded half yearly. So first of all, you clear all this, which one is the principal, which is rate, and what is time. After writing time, you will write compounded half yearly so that you can understand that instead of in, what you have to write. Amount is equal to, write the formula first, amount is equal to principal into 1 plus, as it is compounded half yearly, so by 200, r by 200, whole to the power 2n, put the value whole to the power 2n. Now amount is equal to, instead of principal you can write 10,000, 1 plus rate percent is 8 by 200, whole to the power 2, as it is 1 year, so 2 into 1. Amount is equal to 10,000 into, do not cancel it directly, you can do it, will be save your, it can save your time. 200 plus 8 whole to the power 2, amount is equal to 10,000 into 208 by 200. How many times? It is 2 times, so same thing you write 208 by 200. Now boys, you can cancel, so zeros are there, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now amount is equal to 208 into 208. You can cancel again also. Let's cancel it first. 2, it is 104, and if you cancel it, you will get 104. You can multiply now, rupees 104 into 104. What result you will get? Now when we multiply 104 into 104, you will get 10,816. So this is the amount. You have to find the amount also. So it is amount, compound interest. Now you have to find out, and you know that compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is rupees 10,816 minus 10,000. So you will get 816. And this is your first answer, and this is the second answer. Now I think you have understood it clearly. Come to the next sum. Question number 2. Kamala borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to purchase a scooter, to buy a scooter. I have not written that. It is in your book, you know. At a rate of 15% per annum. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months? Fractional typing. 2 years, 4 months to clear the loan. When compounded yearly, the interest is compounded yearly. Now, whatever the things are given here, you declare it first. Principal 26,400 and rate 15%, 2 years, 4 months. 2 year, 4 months means you can convert 4 months into year. So 4 by 12 years, 2 and 4 by 12 years. If you cancel, you will get 2 1/3 years. Now it is very clear to you. You have to use that formula when we have to use in a fractional timing. So I will write the formula first. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 compounded annually. Compounded yearly means r by 100 whole to the power n, single n and 100. For the fractional year, you know 1 plus that fraction, that means 1/3 is here, you can write 1/3 into rate percent by 100. So we will put the value here, whatever the value is given for principal 26,400 400, 1 plus r by 100, 15 by 100, whole to the power 2 years 4 months. So for this year 2 years I am writing here 2 instead of n, into 1 plus 1/3, for the rate it is 15, for the rate it is 15 by 100, 1 plus, understood? Now you can cancel it, make it 5. Amount is equal to 26,400 into, now boys you know that it is 100, and 100 plus 15 directly can you write 115 2 times, so same thing you can write 115 by 100 into, now it is 1 plus 5 by 100, so 105 by 100. Now cancel this, 0 0 0 0. Now if you want to cancel this one, as it which one which way you are finding easy here, you just complete it. Now by 4, 2 6 ja, 4 6 ja 24, 4 6 ja 24, 4 25 ja. Now for 5, 5 5 ja 5, 23 ja, this is 23, again by 5 it will be 23. Now in the denominator here only 100 is there, so divide it by 5, 20 is 5, 2 is 21. Divide it by 10, divide it by 2 again, it will be 10 and it will be 33. So amount is equal to 33 into 23 into 23 into 21 by 10. The result is amount is equal to, now if you multiply this all you will get 366,597. I have multiplied it here another place in roughly. You have to show the multiplication on the right side on your copy. By 10, I have not divided 10 by, because I will use it as a decimal. So 366, now rupees, amount will be rupees 366,509.70. After 0.7, that means it is 70 paisa. So this is that. So Kamala, what amount will she pay at the end of, what amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? To clear the loan, Kamala has to pay rupees this. Okay. Therefore, you have to write the answer in statement, students. This is your answer. You have to write the answer in this way. Kamala had to pay rupees 36,659.70 to clear her loan. Understood? Practice it. Thank you, students.